Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Max here. I've been slacking on the market reviews, but uh, we're back now, and let's just keep pushing. Let's just stay motivated. But anyway, let's just dive right into this market review. Today is August 7th, 2024. Um, I was looking at shorts today while coming into the market. I wanted to see 930, or I just wanted to see price take this liquidity out in the previous day high. Um, so after we saw that, I did see a market structure shift right here, but this next candle after the market structure shift did not leave us a fair value gap. So I did enter off the change of the state of delivery, but I got right out after we didn't get a fair value gap. So that was like a $19 loss. Um, I'm only trading one micro on a live account now. So after that, came back up. It did a market structure shift in the range above previous day high, and I was just waiting patiently, and then I saw this candle here. I mean, this candle was explosive. Um, it was very explosive. It inversed two gaps and it changed the state of delivery. So I got in. I wanted to change the state of delivery, but I got in a little higher in the gap. So I got in right here at 18,503.75 in this line. I put my stop up here and not up here because we did dip down, came back up, and then after we came back up and made a swing high, we inversed two gaps and we changed the state of delivery. And not only that, we did a market structure shift. It was a weak one because we didn't close. So I was a little iffy about that, but I just trusted the model, I just after seeing this and then it come back up and then it take it out again. After taking this swing high with displacement, I was like, okay, this looks good. I'm gonna take this trade. I'm gonna put my chances on it. So got in right here. Then we experienced some deep drawdown. You know, I was shook by the market today. I mean, it almost shook me out like it did a couple days back, which I have not uploaded to YouTube yet, but I will get there, guys. But yeah, I mean, we got in here, waited, and I was iffy when this 1 minute gap was being respected here, but I just left it there. I almost closed the position, but I just left it. I left it. Then we came back into it and inversed it here. After inversing it, we went back up, and I was scared again. I was like, okay, I might get taken out here, but I was just gonna leave my stop, to let it do its job, risking $106 here. So I mean, I usually want to risk 100, but I'll go up to 150, and if I risk 150, I'm only gonna take one trade that day. But so after we inverted, I was a little more confident, and this happened, and over here in this blue candle, I was shaky, but after that, we displaced down, closed under the swing low, and then we just kept going hard, and I was like, okay, this is nice. Now my original TP was here, this 2R, which finally it did get hit, hours later from where I entered. No, not hours, but 1 hour later. But since we came in and we respected 730 so hard, I was worried about us going bullish after, because this is a 15-minute gap here as well. With respecting 730, I was very, very shook right here. So we came back up, respected this gap, pushed down, and in this push down, I had moved my take profit to here, and it pipped it, literally it one tick away. literally, if you look at the top left, the low is 18,405 on this candle. If you look at the L, 18,405.25, and then look at our take profit, 18,405.00. So literally one tick away. So right then, I was just like, all right, I'm just gonna get out. This is too much heat for me, and we're already up 100 points almost. Like, that's a lot of movement, you know what I mean? So after that, I got out, we secured $165. We would have secured 212, but it's all right. I mean, we're gonna come back to the market. We just gotta play our setups right. So the reasoning behind me taking this is we swept key level, key level of liquidity into a key PD array, which was this huge void here from the start of this week when we ran down crazy in Asia, which was insane on Monday. But so after we swept previous day high, I was already on alert looking for shorts, but I wanted an A plus. I want this was like a B plus, but I wanted an A plus, kind of like this here, the shift, and then hopefully there was a gap, and I would have went in off the gap or off the change of state of delivery. But that didn't happen, so we came up, swept it, change of state of delivery. I entered after we inversed two gaps very hard, one candle. So I targeted a 2R, but just went for liquidity here, and we were above 730 price when I entered. So I mean that tells me we're in the premium of the range, as well as the midnight price. So yeah, I mean that was my entry. There wasn't really much more to it. Might have been some SMT as well, but yeah, there was 1001, 1001. Yeah, there was some SMT as well, so yeah, that gave me big confidence there. SMT, then a displacement candle. Let's look how clean this is too. I mean, in hindsight, this is not live. In hindsight, tapped into this BPR, and it's not really a BPR, but it tapped into this inversion, and it held, barely held, but it did hold. So let me just take off the execution so you can see just a cleaner price action. So I saw this. We inverted these two gaps. Inverted these two bullish gaps with displacement. Like, it wasn't a little pip, and it changed the state of delivery, and we shifted market structure right here, which it wasn't a big shift, but after displacing two bullish gaps and changing the state of delivery and taking a market structure, I mean I had to get in, So I got in on that gap above 730, and over here I was a little worried, but it ended up playing in our favor. And yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. We had that SMT in this high with ES. So I mean, yeah, I mean that's pretty much it, guys. And took one con, 65 here. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. So yeah, I mean that's pretty much it, and I'll talk to you guys later. I do stream every day, around 9:30. Sometimes I will be a little late because I like to watch when the market opens and focus on it. But I do try to stream every day where I trade, and I've been doing it lately. So I mean, just give me a chance, tune in. You know what I mean? But yeah, just other than that, I'll catch you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace.